super homemade grinder in just 1 minute? Never throw your old blender away again? If you throw it away just because the glass is broken, you'll never do it again. Come with me and I'll show you. It's all very simple. Anyone can do it. Best of all, you can even use it in your own kitchen. First, wrap a small piece of iron sandpaper around an object. We're going to sand this round item to remove the burrs and make it very smooth. And look, it should look something like this. The next step is to cut out a small piece of cardboard or some other sturdy material. You'll soon know what it's for. We're going to use a glass and make a mark so that the cutout is perfect and we can use it more easily. We'll need 3 round pieces, 2 of cardboard and another with a stronger material. If you're confused, calm down, you'll see the amazing result I'm about to show you. So there, we have 3 layers. The next step is to use iron sandpaper. We'll make the same size cutout and glue it to the cardboard. Use super glue, or feel free to glue it however you like. To be honest, I've never seen a grinder as efficient and functional as this one. It's easy to make, it doesn't cost anything, and, what's more, I'm reusing something that would have gone to waste. In other words, fantastic recycling. So, gather the 3 layers together so that it sticks. Then cut the size of the sandpaper to the same size as the cardboard and stick it to the cardboard. And finally, just apply glue here and attach the item we made earlier. That's why it's very important that it's very smooth so that it adheres well to the glue and is well fixed. And look, it's almost done. But it's not going away. I'm still going to show you the right way to do it. Most people do it the wrong way, and that's why they don't get the results they expect. But don't worry, I'll show you the right way. First of all, you should ideally have this tool fixed somewhere so that it remains stationary. Then, to get the best results in tools, the process is like this. You have to pass the object you want only in the same direction. For example, if you pass it once upwards and once downwards, this tool will be useless. The right way that really works is to move only one way on both sides, but only one way. This will give the material of the object used a perfect finish and an incredible result. Seriously, you'll never have this problem again, and you'll thank me for it. So let's put it to the test. If you've come this far, it's because you liked the tip, and to let us know, leave the word liked below. That way, I can bring you more content like this. Hugs, God bless and bye.